What's up, unicorns? Today we're going to learn to play the D7 chord on our baritone ukuleles. Please make sure that everything is in tune and that your fingernails are trimmed, and let's begin. If you know how to play the G, C, E, A ukulele G7 chord, then you'll know exactly what to do for the baritone ukulele because it's exactly the same shape in exactly the same place. The only difference, of course, is that the strings of a baritone ukulele are different. D, G, B, and E. So let's get started. You're going to put your first finger in the first fret of string number 2, which is the B string. You're going to put your second finger in the second fret of the G string. And you're going to tuck your third finger up and in into the second fret of the E string. Make sure that each string sounds before we begin. Let's practice this strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, down. And then if we're feeling fancy, we will end on a G chord. The G chord, again, remember, is your third finger in the third fret of the E string. And let's begin. Check out that video if you don't know it. Here we go. 1, 2, and ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4, and end on G. I hope you were able to learn something today and are finding some success. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you next Sunday with a new chord tutorial. Bye!